Hey guys, how's it going? Today I want to do just kind of a quick review for you guys on the Rheem RTEX-13 tankless water heater. I hadn't seen too many reviews on it, so I thought I'd just kind of give you guys my 2 cents, just kind of based off my experience with it and let you know what I thought about it. I should mention real quick too that I actually found a pretty good deal on this water heater, and I'll put a link in the description below to that deal so you can check that out if you're interested in getting one for yourself. So I'd kind of always wanted a tankless water heater. There's just all pros to them and no cons basically, and the thing with it before is like they were really expensive. They'd cost like 2 to 3 times as much as a tanked water heater, and now for whatever reason you can get them for the same price, if not even cheaper, than tank water heaters. So if you were ever thinking about getting one, now is really the time to do it. They've just become so cheap now and they're just great to have. So I guess kind of if you want the short version of this review, I absolutely love this thing, and I do highly recommend it to anybody looking for a really good quality tankless water heater. So the nice thing about it is they're super energy efficient. You're going to save a lot of money in energy, because with a tanked water heater, basically you have to have this thing heating this water, this big thing of water all the time. So it's always keeping this 30-gallon, 50-gallon tank of hot water hot 24/7, 365. Whereas this one only runs when you're using the water. So if you're not using water, it's using zero energy. And believe it or not, it actually uses a lot of energy to keep 50 gallons of water heated to 120 degrees or whatever most water heaters are set at. So you actually do save a lot of money in your heating costs in your utility bills with this thing. Second, it's also nice, and this is kind of the other big thing, you have constant hot water. You'll never run out of hot water. So if you have a big family, people who shower a lot, maybe you don't have a large water tank, or you're thinking maybe I should get a larger water heater, get one of these things. They're cheaper than a big water heater is going to cost, and you'll never run out of hot water. It can literally produce hot water indefinitely. Installation on this thing is very easy. It looks nice. It takes up much less space. You'll have actually a lot more room in your garage or in your basement, depending on where your water heater is located. Very easy to use. It's got a digital dial that you can set the temperature to 5-degree increments, which is nice. It's more accurate than like a standard gas water heater. Rheem, if you're not familiar with them, been around forever. They make really good quality units. They made really good quality water heaters, gas ones, the tanked ones. They've been making those for years. They've been actually making tankless heaters for a long time too, but they've just recently gotten to the point where they're cheap. So yeah, highly recommend it. If you have any more questions about it or anything like that, just leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day.